Good Monday morning. Time for me to get up and get ready for work. Let's go.
So apparently we have some seasonal non-paying renters who are setting up shop on the front porch. They're out collecting crap, and as they're collecting crap, they're flying up there, dropping off crap and flying back out. Itty bitty little dudes. But I run into the problem of they're not paying. I also don't know if I should stop them from building their nest before they fully build it and put their eggs there, or if I should just leave it. Let them be. Turn my house into a massive bird nest, why don't you? So I don't know, I'll talk to Mary later. We'll think about it, because you kind of don't, like, you want to help out the wildlife, but then you don't want them to make your house a damn mess just to make their house. And then try to get all defensive about it when you're going to your own damn house. Because you're just trying to live your own damn life. I don't know. Jax is just lazing about, right, Jax? You say you make them meow. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Other than that, I'm just working and waiting for Mary to call at 2:15 so that I can head out to go get the boys, get back home with them, get that over with, hit 5 o'clock, stop working, and do whatever the hell I want. But I just noticed, because I saw a little bird fly up there, so I went over to inspect. And that's what they're doing.
I'm home from work. Work gave us a employee appreciation day lunch, but they didn't give us anything to drink. And I'm like, what the heck? They normally give us drinks. But we were on our way out. That's the air fryer. It's really loud. We were on our way out to clock out to leave for the day, and they had Figos sitting on the table. I'm like, what the heck? How come they get drinks and we didn't? So everybody just took one all up and walked out the door. I honestly think they either forgot to put them out, or somebody was at the store buying them. By the time they got back, everybody had already eaten their lunch. So. Also, my computer last night, this screen went yellow, and this screen just turned completely off. Did you ever come over and check it, Shaun? He was supposed to fix it today. My screens.
Oh, I didn't check it.
Okay.
I didn't log into your computer.
You doing it now? And then I bought Shaun a surprise. It says it's 2 stops away. Still says HDMI, no signal. I don't know if it's the monitor or if it's the graphics card, but Shaun's been wanting to get me a new computer for months now. And there's also something on my face. Oh, your package is here.
Really? Is it right there?
Yep. It's the Amazon guy. Huh?
Go answer the door.
You go answer the door.
You go answer the door.
No, he can leave the door, then you can get after he leaves it at the door. I'm not answering the door.
You didn't answer the door.
I think he put it on in the garage. Sounded like somebody was in the garage. That was really loud. That's Shaun's phone saying that there was somebody seen at the front door. Did he put it in the garage? Yeah. Alright, let's see what Shaun got for his...
Put it right at the steps.
The steps of the call. I thought I heard something. See if he likes it. It's a box. Huh?
He doesn't. No.
What is it?
It is a box with an input and an output.
Do you know what it is?
It says capture card right there.
Do you like your present?
I mean, I'll have to try it to let you know if I like it, but yes.
Hey. Do you know why I got it?
Because you heard me say something?
Yeah, and then I was talking to the guys online. They're like, how much is it? I'm like, 26 bucks. Or something like that. It was pretty cheap. Either 26 or 28.
There's only one way to
Obviously he
find out how well
likes
works.
it because he's putting it together, and if he didn't like it, he would have just left it in the box.
Hello, denizens. Welcome
To dinner.
to dinner.
Here's mine. At this house. At 3:30 in the afternoon. It's quite early dinner.
Keeps your room for snack at the end.
It's either early, it's early dinner for us, and it's a late lunch for you, right?
Yep, something like that.
I figure.
Look at him eat like a monster.
What?
Look at him eat like a monster.
Look at him eat.
Look at him eat.
Look at him eat.
Look at him eat.
What are you speaking English?
How much more English does it get?
Speak it slower.
Look at him eat.
Oh, look at him eat. Excuse me. It sounded like you were saying, look at the meat.
Look at him eat. There's also something up there. Let's see if I can.
Is it a bird nest?
I don't know.
As far as it'll go.
Yeah, I don't know what's on top of it, but there's something up there.
Probably a bird nest. Can't wait for our Kirby frog to come back.
Yeah. Yep, Jack's just out there taking in the sights.
Can you put the salt in this water up somewhere? Uh-oh. Okay. Get your bread out. Bread.
Let's get it. Shh.
It's ice on the floor somewhere. There it is. Hey, Jack, too much ice.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that camera. Shake that camera.
Can you put the screen up so I can see it? Thank you. Time to make lunches for tomorrow. Shaun, I'm giving you one button. That's all I got. Shaun's over here putting dishes away for me.
Oh no.
Not you, the other one. My sandwich is here from today. I was supposed to eat today, but I didn't because we had a luncheon for Employee Appreciation Day. Really?
I feel like that heating bed did freaking wonders.
Huh?
Said I feel like the heating bed did freaking wonders.
Well, put it back on. Is your shoulder neck still hurting?
A little bit of the lower neck now, but
Yeah.
shoulder stopped hurting shortly after I woke up. Immediately put this on.
I think it's so loud in the camera.
What?
Seriously?
What is our problem?
Jesus. You know you got a half day on Friday, Shaun? Yeah. 1, 3, 7.
Triangle. Tuesday. October. Jason Bourne. Madagascar.
Random.
I can do better than you. Anything you can.
Oh yeah. Oh, the other night when I was out with your mom at the concert, she said she's waiting for us to have tacos again so she can come over because she bought stand-up taco shells.
Yeah.
She tell you that?
I said it's not in the next 3-week plan as far as I'm aware.
No, it's not.
Hey, Shaun. Oh, if I can't think you have some more of these.
That's the what? Whose water is this? This guy's?
I don't know, probably.
He always just gets giant cups of water and drinks like a little bit out of it and then leaves it.
It's alright, I'll go really interrupt him.
Is he done with his work? He kind of like ran off after I told him to put his Invisalign in. Alright. Well, he didn't eat all his broccoli. So 2 little pieces left. I'll just have a handful. Should have kept that.
If you don't do it in class and you don't ask for help in class,
What's up?
you get to do it at home on your own without the help.
Why are you taking those out?
Because he's a grandpa.
You can drink water, or is that not water?
It's,
Kool-Aid stuff?
yeah, that.
I
Gotcha.
put an ice cube at the bottom of the straw. In case you're wondering why you got limited drinkability.
You're also, your ice pack keeps going on.
I think it melted way far enough, so I could.
Drink.
From the window.
I also just bought little Shaun's graduation yard sign. Cost me $25.88. The 88 cents was for this, using a card online. He picks that up on Tuesday.
Know how much you spent on that, or you don't know how much you spent on the capture card?
Huh?
Said you know how much you spent on that, but you don't know how much you
I
spent on
spent like
capture card?
it was like 26 something. Yeah, I'm done with that. I'm done with that. I'm done with that. I'm done with
this,
that. I'm done with everything. I just gotta put everything into the lunchboxes now.
Done with everything? Alright.
Except for the stuff that goes in the lunchbox.
Just got it.
I also need you to go grab my chips and my drink. I forgot those. Okay, yeah. I also grabbed one of these. It was like half full. I had to throw it. There was a hole in the bottom. It was like leaking everywhere. Hello, Governor. What'd you say? No. Only if I'm doing 12s.
No,
Not you. You don't get a C4.
you don't go to work.
Man, look at your. Show them your hand. Closer. That's what he did when he fell the other day.
Okay, it won't focus, hold on.
Is it feel any better? Okay, that's good.
Didn't I tell
Sky.
you not to pick at it?
Don't pick at it.
Pick at what, this?
Your neck.
Now you finally pointed it out, now I want to pick at it.
What's going on with his neck?
Ah!
What's going on with his neck?
He's got a zit on his neck. And I pointed it out. And because I pointed it out, it started agitating him, so he picked at it.
Alright, just guy's lunch. Shaun's lunch. Oh, Skylar, do you like the fact that I put an ice pack in your lunchbox or no? Yeah? Okay. Shaun said no. I'm still gonna do it. Alright, now I'm gonna go do these dishes. And then edit this video.
She's gonna do these dishes.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
She's
Goodbye.
gonna do these dishes.
Merry Christmas!